I much prefer to be doing like commercial and industrial, but residential is like where all of my experiences at, and I know I could get out there in the summertime and make close to a meal.
$1 million
Yeah,
in a year?
yeah.
Oh shit! Let's talk about it. Let's discuss these numbers because let's hold on. Let me get the whiteboard. I need to understand what you're asking me. 1 second. What's going on with my camera? Why is it doing this? Give me a second, bro.
All right.